Imagine going to the doctor and getting spa-like treatment, concierge services, and having the doctor's telephone number right in your cell phone. Well, it's happening here at East Jefferson General Hospital at the Center of Longevity and Wellness. Dr. Jay Mansfield tells us all about an open house that they're having where you can go, tour the facility, see what's happening, and see all of the services that are provided.
East Jefferson General Hospital presents Healthy Lifestyles.
The Center for Longevity and Wellness is an internal medicine practice, a primary care office with a spa-like atmosphere thrown in. When you walk in, you're not going to realize that you are at a regular doctor's office because it's going to feel like you're at a day spa. But behind the doors, we operate as a fully functional medicine clinic, and everybody gets treated exactly the same. No matter who you are, you're treated like a family member when you come in. We have an open house coming up. It's going to allow anybody from the general public to come on in, see the clinic. They get to explore the spa, meet the staff. They get to meet myself and Dr. Hecker Rodriguez and kind of see what the practice is all about, get a feel for it, and figure out if it's the right fit for them.
So these are amazing services. Is it affordable?
It's really affordable for anybody. We have patients who are some of the elite well-to-do in New Orleans, but we also cater to blue-collar patients. Really anybody that wants to come in. We do the annual memberships, but we also can do it in monthly installments, which help make it really affordable. The amount of cost per day is less than a cup of coffee at Starbucks. So overall, a really good value.
So mark your calendars. That open house is coming up April 11th. There you can tour the facility and see all of the amenities that are provided. And if you have any questions, you can always pick up the phone and give them a call. That phone number, 885-7360. I'm Camille Whitworth. Thanks for watching.